And I'm going to try live coding the Visidata tutorial. I've been meaning to check this out, and here I am. So come over to my terminal. I already created a conda environment for this. Pip3 install this. And although I'm working on a table library, I'm friends with Paul, um, and I just wanted to see his docs. And work through it, and we'll see how this goes. VD version. Okay, now, um, okay, installation, and then where was I before this? Okay. Make dir tilde/code Visidata exploration cd code Visidata exploration cp tilde/downloads faa dash dot slash vd faa. Okay, so we have a terminal that's loaded. Okay, I can go back and forth. I am seeing something that looks like that. Move this over to the side. Okay. Let's go to the height column. Okay. Tell Visidata that's an integer. I'm curious as to what it thought it was an integer before, but now we see that it has exclamation points for nans or nulls or none, and there's a whole debate on it, so I'm not sure. As you can see, uh, like there's a whole debate on what to call it, something a nan or a null, and I have to look it up to understand that. This is data generally. As you can see, many missing height or appear to height equals 0. Okay. Okay, z height greater than 0. Okay, so these are selected but not filtered. Okay, and it finished. Okay, that's interesting. Enter. Yeah, I think I did that. Create a new sheet, press. Okay, so there's some concept of sheet. Huh. Okay, height plus, woo, mean. And press enter. Oh. Okay, I am now, okay. Plus mean but if you shift F, ooh, okay, Q, oh, there, that does work. Navigate to species, okay. And I'm not sure if this seems modal. I don't know where I am. Like, I can see that I'm building up commands, but I don't know exactly where I am in that. There's not a visual affordance for that. And, okay, species. Okay, no. Q, that's nice that Q works. Plus mean oh. Okay, so this looks like group by species, count, sort by count descending by default, and height underscore mean percentage by default. Okay, let's see. How do we sort by maybe S? Nope. No, that's selecting. Okay. Well, oh, that's the next thing. I am literally live reading this. There we go. Eared grabe. Okay, let's see. Well, how do we... How do we do the... Okay. Z count greater than 1. And then what do we do? Create a new sheet with this. Okay. Yeah. Oh, sort species. Yeah. So I did that. Yeah. Okay. I mean, this is a good tutorial. I'm trying to do the things already that are the next step. Well done. Finally type G. Okay. I did that. Let me try G. Okay, G underscore. Whoa. It's interesting it works with the mouse. Like, you never expect the mouse. Oh, no, that was a capital G. Oh. Okay, so I get lost in the UI, and I went back somewhere. Okay, so let me see what the next part is. I mean, I'm really liking this because it's designed as a system. It's not just like, hey, here's a pile of tools. It's here's a system. We're going to show you how we use this system. And yeah, you have to put some effort in to figure it out, but you figure it out, and this is cool. Okay. Select only the known species. So I'm just going to press Q. Oh, press Q too many times, but that's fine. Eventually you get out. It is easier to quit this than Vim. That is a nice win for a terminal tool. Okay. Unknown. I like this. Select and then go to a new thing. They've been thinking about how to build this. I mean, obviously, Saul or Paul, which, gosh, let me look up his name. Because I'm going to feel bad about this. An introduction to Visidata. Saul. Back over here. Saul. Okay, where were we? Per state and species. Ooh, like how do I get there? Ooh, rename. Wow, there is a lot of stuff here. It feels kind of Emacs like. Because there's so much stuff and just some of the way the completion works. Known Ah, species. Well, I feel like, okay. I think it's unknown species that I've done, but okay. So one of the things that's interesting is I'm so used to the web world where you get a URL for things. You don't in Buckaroo, but that's fine. Like I don't understand where I am in the state of this app. Okay, so known species here. Huh? Let's see, space sheet jump. Alt 1. So let's try that. And Alt 1. Which one is Alt? Okay, there we go. Alt 1, that's or Option 1 on a Mac. Navigate to the state column. And okay, we're creating a frequency. Ooh, nice. Okay, move this over a little more. Spruce up the frequency. Navigate to count. It's still something magical for me seeing the mouse terminal interaction. Rename it caret state total. Ooh. Oh. Wait. Oh, no. Okay. Let me try this again because I got someplace else I completely didn't expect. State total. Okay, so something. No column matching count. Okay, I'm a 11x. It looks like maybe it's processing. I'm not sure. Okay. Come back over here to 2. Oh. Ooh, I am very lost now. Okay. Okay. Dude. So, okay, let me come back here. Unknown. Oh no, wait. Species. Okay, you can't scroll left and right, but that's fine. Unknown. Okay. There. Yeah, and I don't quite understand how you went from whatever. We're still doing the unknown. We go to the sheet column. So I missed the part where you're supposed to go known, unknown. So let me come over there. Um, known, unknown differences. First sheet name. Just writing up some notes that I'm going to send to Saul. And yeah. Okay, so we want to Shift F. I'm not going to do that renaming. Um, renaming column didn't work as expected. I mean, this is a great tutorial because I'm actually using the software and um, yeah. Okay. We're not doing the state total. Okay, hide percent minus. Okay, there we go. Cool. It would kind of be cool if in the tutorial they had a running counter of the things you've learned to do. It would be neat in the tutorial if there was a running counter of things to do. I don't use Z shell commands for my note taking. I use Emacs for that, but I don't want to navigate over to my Emacs and confuse things. So sheets. Okay. Okay, we're making this a key column. And yeah, I am lost at this point. Okay, so I see what it's doing. Okay. Okay, and at this point I'm just kind of scanning through this. So I've read about the sliced competition. I would, which is a data wrangling competition. Would love to see someone use Visidata and do cool stuff with it in that competition. Okay. Yeah, and I'm kind of getting to the end of this, but I get what Visidata is doing, and I'm impressed. And like these functions, you do this all the time when you clean data. I want this. This is the type of stuff that should be easy. Um, we've had to type a couple of commands here, but it's not. It's a lot less than you would type using pandas or polars, and I like that this is kind of a trader UI. It's not as opposed to a venture capital funded UI. This is not. This is compact. There aren't rounded corners in places. I get that it's a terminal, but this is a tool made for experts. And when you're good at this, you can do a lot with it. So, well, thank you for listening. And yeah, um, nice work, Saul. Okay. So, thank you all. Bye.